Hey everyone, so today we're in Portmeirion in North Wales and I'll be joined by my wife Adeline. Say hi.
Hi.
Here we go, let's come and check it out. Got your tickets?
Yeah. Oh.
We paid online, is that?
Yeah.
Please, thank you.
Yeah.
Your reference number, thank you.
So 249972.
9972.
Yeah.
So Bradley, so 2 dots, there we go. Lovely, so map there for you.
Thank you.
And then tickets valid for the day until 6:30.
Oh, great.
Okay,
Thank you
lovely,
very
hello,
much.
thank you.
Right.
Hello, brother. Hiya.
Okay, what have we got here? Some mermaid. What's all that about? What's all this about?
You cheated, you came up on that thing.
So this place is very unusual for Wales, I would say. Wouldn't you? Look at that.
Yeah.
Nice stone wall. Do you know where this actually reminds me of? That place in Portugal.
Oh, Sintra.
What's it called?
Sintra?
Sintra.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well,
look at these rocks.
I think it was built in Mediterranean style,
Okay.
and the architect took inspiration from Portofino in Italy.
So it's Mediterranean / Italian inspired.
Well, yeah.
I can tell. We've got the preacher up there.
And I think most of the buildings are just used as hotel rooms.
Oh, so all this is hotels. Okay.
Yeah, you could,
So you stay in this area here. Can we check out this
Yeah.
place over here? I like the Roman style paintings and. Is it Roman or Greek? Would you say?
Well, I mean, that looks a bit more Greek, but
Yeah, I
I
suppose.
don't know. Feels like a little bit of a mix.
I actually thought there was someone stood there then. Oh, it's from the television
Prisoner.
series.
Yep.
The Prisoner.
I said that at the top.
Oh yeah, there we go. It's lovely, isn't it? It's very unusual.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Look at that. That's a tree cut like a hedge. Actually, looks like a floating hedge. Should we go left or right?
Right?
Got your chest, giant chest set over there. Look. Looks like we got a photo shoot going on here. We got the Buddhist statue. If the camera can pick that up, actually. It's a bit dark. And you can see where people have been touching it. Probably wishing it to bring them some good luck or something.
It's very nice. Very. Feels like you're
Feels like you're in
in
Italy.
Italy. Yeah.
Or Portugal, like we said. I think these are rooms, so I don't think we should be going up here really.
Probably not.
So we'll turn around and just have a look over here. Oh, I like this, I don't know what you'd call it.
Well, it looks like a could be the interest for something, but obviously there's nothing behind it. I don't know.
Hercules. Got the world on his shoulders. Should we go down there? Have a look at that. Wonder if we've got any frogs in here. All them lily pads. A lot of wasps on there. It's like the food quarters. Should we have a look in here?
It's like a gift shop.
I think so.
Is this the entrance or the exit?
Nope.
Plenty of cups. Put your tea bags in there, look. $41.50.
Look, it actually knows.
Perfect for tea bags, that. You get your Yorkshire tea in there. What's this? Philly cheesesteak.
95!
Do you like some Philly cheesesteak?
That looks nice up there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Can you, I wonder if you can go in there. There's lights on
I
inside.
think you can. It probably
Yeah,
is a
here we go.
coffee shop or something.
There's the
Or is
entrance.
point of it.
What is it? Oh, there's no entrance here. Unless it's up them stairs. No, those toilets. Horse has got fingers.
Yeah. I mean, their faces remind me a bit of, do you know that painting of Jesus that was,
Do you mean that one that was destroyed?
well, kind of, yes. Yes.
Which one? It was, what do you call it? renovated, kind of.
Yeah.
What's the word?
Oh,
Restored.
restored, yeah. They were
Yeah.
doing some restoration work on
Yeah,
it.
it was restored and looks
yeah.
awful.
Yeah, that's, I mean,
Yeah.
them...
I wonder if it was the same painter who did some restoration work on that. First glance, it doesn't look. Doesn't look family friendly.
well, I think it's a mermaid
I don't know.
riding a man.
Yeah. Let's have a look down there. I don't think you can go much further than. Oh, can you? Got a nice little table and chairs down here. Private, so these must be more rooms.
Yep.
That's where we were sat earlier. Cute little cannons. For your little pirates when they come. They do, this list looks a bit Greek. The white and blue. They do keep the paint fresh here, which they should do for £20 a ticket.
I mean, it is well maintained. So.
Yeah, well, it should be, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, so you can actually get on this. Oh, it's not on a real boat. It's clever. It just looks like a boat.
But it's not a boat.
It's deception. All the rocks are very shardy, would you say? What's the word?
That's a good word to describe him.
You can walk further up there. Oh, bloody hell.
That's a baby.
That's not a baby, I don't
that's
think.
a-
No, they're
that's
just
a-
there throwing food and that's not a baby, is it?
I think it is.
Okay, what have we got in here? Coastal lake footpath. Oh.
Feels quite
Crouch
nice.
to get through here.
It's so big. It's so
Thank you.
big. So, show me.
Show me on the picture then.
I was like,
Show me.
I don't know if anyone's doing that now. No, but you don't understand this. I know.
This looks like a fortune telling hut.
Yeah, like a tent where
Go in there to, oh, it's a bench, but it looks like you go and see someone with a crystal ball. Oh, this one needs a bit of paint on it, doesn't it?
a little bit. Is that Napoleon? I don't know if it fit in the picture, but it's quite short.
Yeah.
Has that signature hat.
Could be.
As you said.
Feels quite cozy in here.
Can we go upstairs? Looks like it. Nothing's stopping us. Oh, that's private. I wonder if that's a room. No, I don't think so, actually. There's your steering wheel. Do they call them steering wheel? It's a steering wheel, isn't it?
Yeah, don't know if
Is
there's
there a different name for it?
Yeah, I don't think it's moving. I think that's another room.
Yeah, White Horses. Is the name of that one. This looks like out of bounds now.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna go over go back a different way, not through the tunnel. Looks like they've got some nice cafes here.
Oh, check that out. That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Maybe.
Is it random by design? Like there's a gate there for absolutely nothing.
What?
The gate.
Oh, this.
What's the point of the gate?
I think that's just a design. I can't think of the name now.
Oh, I think we've seen it all, Adeline.
Yeah,
about
looks
that?
like it. I mean, it's a nice place to visit for a day. It'd probably be a nice day.
For a day? Could you spend a day here?
Yeah, I mean,
Don't know about that. I think maybe a couple of hours maximum. If you get something to eat, maybe 3 hours.
it is very well maintained, so you know, I can see that the 20 quid per person is being used for something. I mean, them gold statues look very Asian, so it's a little bit of a mixed bag with everything here.
I would say it's rather quirky, wouldn't you?
It reminds me of other places that we've been, like the Popeye Village in Malta. Gives off the same vibe. Granted, it was used for as a movie set, so.
Quirky is the word she's on about. It's getting busier and busier, isn't it? I can tell.
Yeah, I would like to see what the hotel rooms look like.
So before we leave, we're just gonna quickly try out their lemonades or something, some refreshing drinks, whatever they have. Well, we both went for the strawberry iced tea.
It's quite nice. Very
Nice, I like it.
refreshing.
Not too sweet and refreshing. Cheers.
Cheers.
Or does this have something to do with the prisoner? I should have done more research on the place, but I did zero. Because that's what I'm like. We've pretty much seen everywhere now. Adeline, what do you think about the place?
It's lovely,
Yeah.
very well maintained, and it looks beautiful. Very Instagrammable.
Instagram, yeah. Get here. There's plenty of people in there taking pictures. So,
yeah, loads of people having photo
professional
shoots.
photo shoot and that. Is it worth 20 quid?
If you enjoy a slow-paced day out, yes, I'd probably say so.
Yeah, a bit of walking, a bit of exploring.
Yeah.
It's quite an unusual place. You're not really going to find it
Definitely,
in a
unless
village
you
or something. It's just,
unless you go to Italy, perhaps.
yeah,
maybe.
Italy, Portugal, or that place in Barcelona. So we spent, what was it, about almost 2 hours in here. I think we've pretty much seen every corner of the place. If you're going to get some food, you'd probably spend another, maybe close to 3 hours. Do we recommend it? Absolutely. Come and check it out. It's fun. It's nice, unusual.
Yep.
So that's us out. Adios.
Bye.